Rani Ki Vav, Design and Architecture. It is very much essential for you to understand that the divergent outlook of this type of underground water storage and resource system are found in many places belong to this part of the subcontinent. But this type of architecture is very much unique in the world. They were existing since the 3rd millennium BC. A pit and sandy oil from the ancient time later got evolved and taken the shape of multi-story reservoir of art and architecture. Rani Ki Vav is spread over a large piece of land. It has a length of 64 meters, width of 20 meters, and depth of 27 meters. It is a step well with carved structure. You can see various amazingly constructed sculptures built in all its 7 levels under the ground. These depict more than 800 Vishnu avatar themes in the form of sculptures. Take some time to observe the immensely beautiful design of this royal stepwell. The pattern of this construction gives you a feel of being in an inverted temple. The nicely constructed steps take you to the lines or carved pillars. You can also feel the sanctity of this water preservation. The water management system around you now is the single architectural component segregated into 7 levels. The orientation of Rani Ki Vav is in east-west direction. It combines all of the principal components of the step well with a step corridor, and you can find its beginning at the ground level. Rani Ki Vav is always considered as one of the highly decorated monuments in India with carved panels of sculptures. It is not only an architectural structure but also a technological achievement in water sourcing. It has its pearls attached with Marwar Gurjar style of architecture. Marwar Gurjar architecture is emerged in 6th century at the places surrounding Rajasthan. It provides a deep understanding of architecture and refined skills of Rajasthani craftsmen. Mahamarwar and Marwar Gurjar are the two distinct styles of Marwar Gurjar. According to the famous architectural and art historian M. A. Dhaki, Mahamarwar style was introduced on the lands of Marwar Desa, Sapadalaksa, Surasena, and Upramanala. Marwar Gurjar was found in Medapata, Gurjar Desa Arboda, Gurjar Desa Anarta, and various places of ancient Gujarat. The name Marwar Gurjar means the art of Rajasthan and Gujarat. Rajasthan and Gujarat used to share lots of ethnic, cultural, and political similarities during the ancient times. Ancient Rajasthan was the Marwar Desh, while Gujarat was known as Gurjaratra.